So we are going to learn slope of a line now. The tangent of angle made by a line with positive direction of x-axis is known as its slope. If a line is there and suppose it makes an angle theta, then slope of the line is m is equal to tan theta. If theta is equal to 30 degree, then slope is going to be tan 30 degree, you know. If a line makes 30 degree with y-axis, then what will be its slope? Situation is like this only. This angle we are telling 30 degree, maybe other way also, but this time this angle we have to find. If we know this angle, this is say 60, this will be 120 degree. So slope of the line going to be tan 120 degree. This is tan 180 minus 60. Answer is minus root 3. Okay. Slope of a line can also be expressed in terms of two coordinates lying on the line. These are 2 points lying on the line. These are 2 points lying on the line. Then slope tan theta here in this diagram. If you have taken this one x1, y1, you all know it very well. This part is x1. So this part going to be x2 minus x1. This part going to be y2 minus y1. So tan theta this time going to be this is delta y by delta x, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the slope of this line. So what is the slope of a line passing through 1 minus 1 and 3, 2. This time m going to be 2 minus minus 1 by 3 minus 1. This is 3 by 2. So slope of the line is 3 by 2. What is the slope of line if it is parallel to x-axis? It will make 0 degree with x-axis. Parallel means no angle with x-axis. So this line has slope 0. If it is perpendicular to x-axis, draw perpendicular here. This m is going to be tan 90, undefined quantity. Okay? 1 by 0 you can't say, this is infinite. Slope of tangent. If it line is perpendicular to x-axis, parallel to x-axis, slope is 0. Okay? So slope of the line, this formula we have learned, y2 minus y1, that divided by x2 minus x1. Now, what will be the equation of a line in simplest form? I am going to discuss first. Equation of a line. Equation of a line means an equation involving x and y, where x and y are variable quantities. There may be constant quantity also. General form of this equation of line we have studied in class 9 and 10. Ax plus by equal to c. This is the general form of equation of line. This you have studied. But here we are going to discuss more specific manner that if a line has slope equal to m and then its y-intercept is equal to c, y equal to c is called y-intercept, then what is the equation of the line? First I explain what do you mean by equation. That an equation, you know, where variables or sum of the variables compared to a constant will be treated as an equation. Now, equation of line contains only first degree term. Only one line contains first degree term. If two lines are there, it may be quadratic one. If three lines are there, it may be cubic one. That with factorization, we can get all. Now, to get the equation of line, you have to take a variable point over there, which is representative of all the points on the line. First, you have to do this. That has an arbitrary position in our problem. Let it be at Px, y. Pxy is an arbitrary point on the line. This is representative of all the points on the line. From here, draw a perpendicular. Then this angle also becoming theta. Y-intercept of the line we have taken C. It means the value of OA equal to C. We are going to get an equation connecting X, Y, C and M. That will be the equation of line. And this has a very special name, that is called slope-intercept form. So first one is slope-intercept form, or better known as gradient form. How to get the equation, how to get the relation connecting X, Y, theta and C, that I am going to discuss. See, on these construction which I have done here, very easy to understand. Tan theta in this triangle PAM is PM by AM. What PM stands for? If this one C and this one C, the whole thing is Y. This part going to be Y minus C. And this part going to be X. AM is equal to X. Because X coordinate of the point is PXY. So PM by AM, that is Y minus C by X. Therefore, Y minus C and tan theta is M here. We have taken Y minus C equal to MX. Therefore, the required equation is Y equal to MX plus C. This is more specific than AX plus BY equal to C. But later on, we will discover that this can be changed to all these forms which we are going to study today. So, this is your number one form we have learned, that is called gradient form or slope-intercept form. Now, what will be the equation of line? I am just taking one example. What is the equation of line whose slope is equal to whose inclination with x-axis, better to say. What is the equation of line whose inclination with x-axis is 45 degree? Whose inclination with x-axis is 45 degree. I mean theta is going to be 45 degree. And it makes an intercept 7 unit from number 1 positive y-axis, number 2 negative y-axis. Okay. So always you will try to visualize. This is the first case, 7 unit. And this angle 45 degree, you all can write the equation. The second case situation going to be like this. This is 45 and this is 0, minus 7. So the value of C will take minus 7. Length of intercept 7. But the value of C going to be as it intersect the y-axis, it should be minus 7. Therefore, the equation of the line in the first case is going to be, let me write the equation in the first case. This equation in the first case going to be y equal to this plus 7 and this time it is going to be y equal to same thing because it's positive x-axis, no? Tan 45 means 1 into x minus 7. Okay? If somebody says that I learned only one equation, I'll suggest to learn this. Other equations all can be changed to this one. Or learn this one which you have learned in class 9 and 10. But here, to reduce number of steps, we need to do the other forms also. That I am going to tell you gradually. Okay? This is called point slope form, or better to say 1 point form of the equation of a line. What is that? What is 1 point form? Let me explain. 1 point form is the equation of line passing through a point. This I rewrite here. This is called one-point form. Okay? So line passing through a point x1, y1 and having slope m is given by this equation. Or point slope form, whatever you tell. A point on the line is x1, y1 and m is equal to tan theta. Then equation going to be y equal to, no, not y equal to, this is going to be y minus y1. This can be proved also. Wait, I write it here. M into x minus x1. The same manner, when you take a point on it, pxy and draw the perpendiculars here, AL and BM. If this is theta, this one theta, then this part is x1 and this part is x. So this part will be, and this is y minus y1. So AM will be equal to tan theta y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. A question of that form, on that form is asked here. Write the equation of line in slope intercept form with slope 3 and contains minus 1, 4. How to write? Here x1 is minus 1 and y1 is 4 and the value of m is equal to 3. M3 so the equation going to be y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 4 equal to 3 into x plus 1. This is the answer. Alright. Yes. Now there is this is the third form we have discussed here. 1 point form means the third one. That 2 point form also there. In case of 2 point form, do you find any difference? 1 point form was y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. While discussing 2 point form, 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 will lie on the line. All of you can see the diagram. 2 points are there. Those points are taken as x1, y1 and x2, y2. So m can be replaced by m is equal to what? This formula we have already learned, y2 minus y1 by So y minus y1 is going to be this is called 2-point formula. In 2-point form, line passing through say 2 points 1 4 and b3 minus 7 will be what? Required equation of line passing through this. If you take this one x1 y1, or you can take this one also, it doesn't matter. Equation of line apparently seems that different, but when you simplify, you'll be getting the same equation. This is y minus 4 equal to m. M is x minus 1. Therefore, minus 11 by 2 into x minus 1. Alright. So, y minus 4 equal to minus 11 by 2 into x minus 1. That slope is minus 11 by 2 and the line is passing through the points 1, 4 and 3, minus 7. Alright. And the last form of line is called that fifth one. Fifth one will refer as the normal form. Normal form of a line. What is that? This time it is the equation of line passing equation of line. You can write the statement to find the equation of line. To find the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is equal to P and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with x-axis. We are going to find the equation of this line whose perpendicular distance from origin is going to be P units and this angle is equal to alpha. This is in fact very easy to derive. This point you take a comma 0, 0 comma b. In this diagram you will find P by A equal to cos alpha. So A equal to P by cos alpha. Similarly, P by B you will find as sin alpha, because this is alpha means 90 minus alpha. This is also equal to alpha. So B is going to be P by sin alpha. Equation is x by A. Intercept form if I apply. So x by P by cos alpha, y by P by sin alpha 1. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. This is the equation of the line whose perpendicular distance from origin is equal to P and the angle it makes an angle alpha with positive x-axis. What is the line if P equal to 5 and alpha equal to 30 degree? That you can say it is going to be x cos 30 plus y sin 30 is equal to 5. So x root 3 plus y equal to 10 is going to be the required equation of the line. This is just introduction to straight line. You learn various forms. Tomorrow's class we are going to do selective sums on straight lines. Okay. What will be the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin equal to P and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha? This form we can derive with the help of intercept form of a line, because if this one P, this one alpha, and if we assume that the equation is a comma 0 here and this part is 0 comma B, then you can relate P, A and alpha. This length is A, you all can see, and this is P. So in diagram, P by A is going to be cos alpha. Therefore, A equal to P by cos alpha. If you consider this part, if this angle alpha 90 minus alpha, this angle going to be alpha, and this length is equal to B. So in diagram, P by B equal to sin alpha. Therefore, B equal to P by sin alpha. So equation of line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. This implies x by P by cos alpha, y by P by sin alpha equal to 1. This implies x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to P. This is the equation of line whose perpendicular distance from origin is equal to P and the perpendicular makes an angle alpha with x-axis. So if we go by these sums here, just it is straightforward, where it is asked that length of perpendicular from origin is 5 and alpha 60, or this kind of sum. You can avoid these sums right now at this moment. Just number 2 I am doing here, 1 part 2. And how this thing happens, alpha equal to 150 degree. Then the line has intercept like this or like this, that you have to decide. Will it be like this? Which diagram you prefer? 150 degree means with positive direction of x-axis. So first one cannot be 150. This angle not required. Always you require angle with positive direction. So this we should not take. This one is the case, that is 150 degree. It shows approximately it is 150 degree. This is the origin here, and theta is equal to here 150 degree. So M is going to be tan 150 degree, tan 90 plus 60, that is minus root 3. Now equation of line going to be x cos alpha. You need not M. I am extremely sorry. Okay, you can convert this one into normal form also. But here, what is the value of sin 150 and cos 150? Because we want to use this form directly. If that angle tan value is minus root 3, then this will be minus root 3, this will be 1. Or this is root 3, this is minus 1. Then by taking that angle, you can write cos of this is equal to 2. So sin 150 degree is going to be root 3 by 2. Cos 150 degree equal to minus half. So the equation going to be x cos alpha x into minus half plus y into root 3 by 2 equal to 1. This implies minus x plus y root 3 equal to 2. Now, how to solve this question where it is given equation of straight line at a distance 3 units from origin such that, just read the question. Equation of straight line at a distance 3 units from origin such that perpendicular from origin makes angle alpha whose tan alpha is given by this. So you can draw a triangle like previous case. This is alpha, this is 5, 12. By Pythagoras theorem, this will be 13. So cos alpha value will be 12 by 13. Sin alpha value going to be 5 by 13, isn't it? So the equation going to be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. This means 12 by 13 x plus 5 by 13 y is equal to 1. This implies 12x plus 5y is equal to 1. Okay. So these sums are of this kind only where direct this form is required. Now I am going to show you one technique where the general equation can be converted to all the three forms you have, all the four forms or five forms you have learned. Okay. Basically, we are interested to convert this into slope intercept form, number 2 into intercept form, and this normal form. Okay. So the topic is how to convert the line general equation, convert general equation of a straight line in number 1 slope intercept form, number 2 the intercept form, and number 3 the normal form. Rest of the form you can try. This is very easy to do it. General equation of straight line means it is of the form, this I have explained already. When a general equation of straight line being considered, that will be of the form, general equation of a line is of the form ax plus by plus